Hi everyone friends, today we have fully cracked Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. As you see, screen, backside and as well battery. As you see, it's float up. So yes, and we must to change everything. See, new frame, new back cover or glass, LCD, and the battery will be new as well. As you see, this is blue, dark blue color, and it will be a gold cover. So let's prepare. As always, first we need to take out a SIM tray from the phone, and as well don't forget to turn off the phone. Later we need to hit the back glass or panel, but do it very carefully because there is a battery and other flexes it can be there, so you can easily damage it. And for me, I must be very careful because you see the battery, it's low. So I will come back when I done it. Okay, I hit it and we can start to take it off. In my case, you see, yeah, it's fully cracked, so must be very careful not to damage myself because there's a lot of glass, small one, and it's cracked. Okay. Okay. Till the buttons, then okay, I will use this plastic thing to put it in and to check carefully if it's okay. I hate to do it when it's fully cracked. Okay. Okay. And ouch. Okay. Almost done. What is this? Okay, see? Now I need to unscrew, you see, all those screws, silver one around. So I will come back when I done it. Okay, I almost done it. So we can try to separate the middle frame from the LCD. Do it very careful, because you never know what can you damage there inside. Okay. Yay. That's it. Okay. Have the only one screw stuck. Now what we have here. Okay. And first of all we need to disconnect all those cables. this will be, I guess, battery flex. Okay, so next will be those two tiny cables, as always, and here we go. What do I have here? Okay, here this flex, this one is that, this flex, and this flex as well, as you see, and the motherboard is out. Okay, as always, vibrate motor, it is glued very nice, so okay, like that. Then what we have here, it's the mic, it's dynamic. How does it take it out? I guess it's from this side is very hard to take it out. We will try from this. Yes, from this side it's okay. Then we need to take out this. Very gently and careful. See, it's all in one. All in one. So what next? Next we have, I think this is battery. Those two flex come here. So here, as you see as well, we have two black screws that holding the downboard. See? Okay, what next? We should try to take it out, and it's easily take out. Nice, I like it. Then what next? Nothing. Battery we left here because it's damaged. Okay, so we need to take a new LCD first of all, and we can start to assemble everything back. So first goes this piece, okay, like that, I guess. Yep. Okay, so don't forget those two screws that hold in downboard. Okay, second one. Okay, nice. What do I have here? Good. Now we can connect the... No, first of all we need to put back the microphone from there Okay, be careful. Okay, here. Okay, where is this thing? Oh. Okay, here. For me it's very hard work, as you see. Okay, now we can put vibrate motor in its place, in its proper place. See here, and now we can put the motherboard, but first you need to connect it in the bottom of the board. To do this, I need to put it on the ground. That's it. Okay, I need a battery as well to put the battery in, because battery goes from the connector. It goes from the bottom of okay, what we have here. Okay, okay, so I will put it here, but first I need to take out this. Okay, everything seems to be fine, I guess. So we can try to connect flexes. Okay, this one, then this one. All these flexes is connected. We have here left only tiny ones, as you see, tiny ones. Here and here. For me it's always hard. Okay, here. Okay, what we have next? We need to check what we have here. It's okay, almost okay. And yes, we have here everything, so we can just put a new one without nothing. Nice. I like. Okay, don't forget to connect as well battery. Okay, now we can put everything, or not. Now we need to check first if everything is in the place. Now we can try to put it back. Okay. Not from the don't know from which side. Okay. Okay, finally. Let's check. Yes. Okay. Now we can put back glass. Okay. What I do for this, I will use a T7000 glue. Just from the sides. Okay. Like that. Okay, here as well. Okay, so now we can put it carefully. See? And try to yes, it is working. Okay. Camera. Yes, this one working and other one. Yes, it's working as well. Nice. So what we have for today, everything is done. So see you next one time, friends. Bye.